Moving on to news from the world of business, welcoming Raghuram Rajan's panel report, which has put Bihar among the least developed states, Chief Minister Nitish Kumar today said it will pave the way for getting more funds from the centre for development. But the opposition is crying foul, saying this is a sop and the payoffs will be visible when alliances are formed after the 2014 general elections.
Celebrations in Patna. Not because Bihar is now officially the second least developed state according to the Congress-led centre, but because the status means it will benefit by about 10,000 crores over the next 4 years or so.
मैं अपनी प्रसन्नता व्यक्त करना चाहता हूं कि आज इतनी लंबी लड़ाई का जो विमर्श होता है उसको बदला गया.
Nitish Kumar had demanded special status for Bihar, maintaining that he'll support whoever helps him. After the BJP and the JDU parted ways in Bihar this June, the centre has moved swiftly on Nitish's demand for special status for his state, a move seen as the Congress's attempt to strike some kind of a deal with Nitish ahead of the 2014 Lok Sabha elections.
इस रिपोर्ट ने बिहार की जनता को निराश किया है, तो उल्टे इस कमेटी ने तो विशेष राज्य की अवधारणा को ही खत्म कर दिया.
But the panel headed by Raghuram Rajan, which based the least developed states on new criteria, said the demand by some states to be included in the special category is more an economic argument than political argument. In fact, Rajan's list of 10 least developed states makes for an interesting political argument. BJD-ruled Orissa is number 1, Bihar next. Then BJP ruled and poll-bound Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Then 4 Congress-ruled states. At number 9, Uttar Pradesh, where the ruling Samajwadi Party has an on-off alliance with the Congress in Delhi. And lastly, poll-bound Rajasthan, where the Congress is fighting anti-incumbency. With Alok Pandey in Patna, in New Delhi, Shweta Rajpal Kohli, NDTV.
And the first of its kind ranking puts Gujarat in the less developed category, a notch below Tripura, economically sound perhaps, but politically explosive. The list's criteria includes human development indices and per capita income.